How you doing? It's Ryan with First in Emergency Products. We're looking at one of our 2021 to 24 Chevy Tahoe consoles. What we do, vehicle specific on every console, is that we custom cut your equipment into there. We don't use brackets. Each faceplate is customized to give you that factory looking finish. And what also you can do is, since everything's done on the computer, if you're going to change equipment, you can call and order a new faceplate, and then we can recut that and send that out to you for the cost of what it would actually cost you to buy new faceplates. Little custom touches like that is what makes our consoles different than pretty much anybody else's console on the market, and we can do some customization for you to give you the fit and finish that you're looking for.